James had 200 cards at first. He gave away 20% of them. His father then bought him 20% of what he had left. How many game cards did James have in the end? Now this is a percentage problem. It's very important to understand that the original is 100%, but from this statement, the 100% will change. His father then bought him 20% of what he had left. So whatever he had left later on will become the new 100%. Okay, so let's start with the first statement first. 200 game cards at first, he gave away 20%. So 100% minus 20%, he'll be left with 80% of the original. So the original 100% will represent 200 cards. And we need to know 80%, how many cards is that? This is like units. 100 units, 200 cards. What is 80 units? So we can find 1 unit first, or 1% first. 200 divided by 100. 2 cards. And we can jump to 80%. So 2 times 80. That will be 160 cards. Alright, this is what he's left with. And his father then bought him 20% of what he had left. So this is what he had left after giving away cards, some cards. This will now become our new 100%. Alright, so the new 100% will be whatever he has left. And the father added 20% for him. So the percentage that he will have left in the end will be 100% plus 20%, that will be 120%. So from this 100%, we need to jump to 120%. Okay, so what we can do is to go to, you don't need to go to 1%, you can, since it's quite a nice number, you can go to 10% instead. 160 divided by 10. Why divide by 10? Because from here to here, you divide by 10, right? 100 divided by 10, that's how you got 10%. So 10% will be 16 game cards. We need to go to 120%, okay? So how do you get there? Times 12, times 12 here also. 16 times 12. 16 times 12, that will give us a final answer of 192 cards.